In this video, let us talk about GATE Environmental Science. What could be the subject-wise weightage? So, as all of you might know, GATE Environmental Science is a new paper introduced by IIT Bombay this year. If you are an environmental science enthusiast and if you want to pursue something in environmental science as your career, this paper could open doors for you. In this video specifically, let us see what could be the expected subject-wise weightage. So before going deeper into the subject-wise weightage, let us see what are the different sections first. So if you see here in our blog also we have put up, I will leave all the links in the description below so that you don't have to search for these things later. Just click on the link in the description. You will get the syllabus, sample paper and whatever we are going to talk in this video about subject wise weightage and also the benefits of attempting this paper. So first let us just quickly see what are all the different sections. So, as per the syllabus, they have divided into 9 sections. This is apart from general aptitude. So, you have your normal engineering maths, then you have environmental chemistry, environmental microbiology, water resource, and environmental hydraulics, which is nothing but your fluid mechanics, water and wastewater treatment and management, air and noise pollution, solid and hazardous waste management, global and regional environmental issues, environmental management and sustainable development. So if you check the GATE official website, you can find the detailed syllabus and also the sample questions. So we have put up this download here itself. So this for this I'm leaving the link below, you can check it out. So here the detailed syllabus is available. So what we have done is, apart from general aptitude, for rest of the paper they have given a sample gate paper. Since this is a new paper, they have given how the questions could look like. So based on whatever questions they have given, we have come up with a what could be the subject wise weightage based on this model paper. Obviously it can vary from it, we have to wait for the paper, but there are a lot of people who are going to give this year. So just to have an idea so that you don't get surprised in the exam, we have calculated this subject wise weightage, what could we expect in the exam. So that is totally based on this model paper which is available. Also, those who are looking to prepare for GATE Environmental Science, we had recently launched a course, a dedicated course for GATE Environmental Science. Currently, it is at a hugely discounted price. In the course, every chapter will contain video lectures and self-read material. And apart from that, you will also get questions to practice at the end of every chapter. So, as per the schedule given, we will be updating the lectures. You can check it out. For this also, I am leaving the link in the description. And also you get doubt support along with this course. So currently it is at 70% off. This is a limited offer and this offer will be there only till October 7th. So till October 7th, you will get it at a hugely discounted price. You'll get a 70% discount. And after the discount, the course will cost you only 2,999 rupees. If you are planning to give GATE ES this year, it is definitely going to, this course will definitely benefit you. So make sure you get it before October 7th to get the discount. Also, those who are wondering what will be the benefits, so we have covered that in a separate video. You can check that out. Again, for this also, all the links will be available in the description. You can check it out. Now, coming back to this, we will check the subject weightage based on the model paper. It is also available in PDF format. If you check in the blog section, you can simply download it and have it. So if you see here, aptitude, as all of you know, it will come for 15 marks, and maths, even though in the model paper it was asked only for about 10 marks, the GATE brochure says it will be asked for 13 marks. So this 15 plus 13 is fixed number of marks. And other all subjects, it looks like they have distributed throughout the portion, like It is not like one part of the syllabus is extremely important. For everything, they have given almost equal weightage. So if you see here, water and wastewater treatment and management, so that is for 11 marks, and waste management they have asked for 11 marks. Then you have environmental management and sustainable development, so that is asked for 8 marks. Then your environmental microbiology or environmental chemistry, air pollution, these are asked for around 8 marks. Then this is given as a single portion in the syllabus, like water resource and environmental hydraulics, which is nothing but your fluid mechanics. So this is kind of a huge syllabus, and both of this put together they have asked for 12 marks, and the rest of the marks are distributed between global issues and noise pollution. So from this subject weightage, we can understand that everything is almost of equal weightage. So if you're preparing for GATE ES, just do not ignore any portion. Even if you find it lengthy, at least give a quick read of certain topics. Like in topics like global issues, or in noise pollution, or in environmental management and sustainable development, just by giving a quick read of the topics itself, you will be able to answer some of the questions. If you see, there are things like what will you do in an environmental impact assessment, or something which is related to what is stated in the international law, and about the per capita energy consumption. So these are some things which you can like just give a read of the subject and you can answer this question. It is not like you need to know how to solve numericals. So make sure you get to know these facts. So even if you're not getting the time to cover some of the syllabus in like these topics like global issues or environmental management or sustainable development, just make sure you at least give a quick read of all the mentioned topics. This is all about the expected subject weightage in GATE Environmental Science. Soon we will also make a video where you can get to know which books to refer. So we will make a separate video on that soon. And like I told you, whoever is trying to prepare for GATE Environmental Science, our course could be really of use to you. Instead of you going and searching all the resources, we have video lectures and self-read material in every chapter, which will help you out. And all this comes with some questions to practice and doubt support. And like I told you, this course is at a hugely discounted price, and this discount is there only till October 7th. If you are planning to get our courses, get it before October 7th to avail the discount. Thank you, everyone.